Yo, 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 what's up? What's up? What's up? So today I am going to show you how to trade in the market. So first, I'm going to take you to TradingView. TradingView is a website that shows the graphs and the current price via candlestick. Candlestick to you can change it to bars, you can change it to hollow candles, lines. It's a lot, but I use the candlestick. So having the candlestick shows you right here that the green indicates that it is a blue. The green indicates that it's a buy, indicating that price is going up. The red indicates that price is going down, indicating a sell. So in your app, MetaTrader 4, which is on the App Store, when you see this, say you saw this coming, you say, okay, let me press this sell right here at the top of this candlestick. And you would collect X amount of dollars that you place your lot size at. Okay. So, but I'm going to show you guys more of the specifics next video. I'm just going to show you a good dynamic of exactly what I think is going to happen for the next week on this pair, for one. And two, the type of techniques I've started to use within the past few weeks. So, this outer border right here, excuse me, this outer border right here is basically showing the Bollinger Bands right here. So you see the outer barrier is showing the Bollinger Bands, right? So it's almost like if you look at it in a sense, it's like a road and it's like a passageway, and it's showing you exactly where price is going up and down, up and down, up and down. It's bouncing like it's on a road in a sense. So this red line is the midpoint of this area where the Bollinger Bands are. It's basically indicating the midpoint of when this either stretches out like you see right here, stretched out, or squeezes in like you see right here. So I'm going to take these trend lines. We call these trend lines. Take these trend lines also. You can get a blank dynamic. Okay. So when you look at this, at least when I look at this, everybody has different techniques. I'll look at whichever one has this bottom, just the bottom, not like a top wick, red one in this area. I look, go right here, and I say, okay, connect it to the top of this one right here, right? So now it's at the top of this, right? Boom. That's one right there, and it's showing you where it's like a. So let me put another trend line before I explain it. And then you're gonna go right here. You're gonna place this one right here, and I'm gonna show you why I'm placing this right here in just 1 second. And then right here, the Bollinger Band has a little poke right here. You can place it right here. Boom. And you want to make sure that's going underneath. It's going underneath these right here. Right? So it's going underneath these right here. Now I can stretch it down right here to connect that. So I'm going to take this away and show you that I placed it right here at the midpoint of this buying area, of this area right here. This is the midpoint of the buying area. Right? So you have to think of this buying area like this candlestick. It has like a little middle area right here. It's more to the candlesticks and what they look like, but that's basically showing you that this is like the midpoint of this area right here, right? So put my horizontal line back on here. So I'll place it right there, right? So price should bounce up on 4 o'clock Sunday. The market's open at 4 o'clock. Price should bounce up on this area. Or it could possibly wick up, have the little wicks like you see the wicks right here. Like this is a wick. It went up and it came down, but it's a wick. It's still indicating that area. So it'll build up the momentum, wick up, and then drop. Right. So this lined up with this right here. Let me place this horizontal line right here. So this bottom area right here of this one right here lined up perfectly with this one right here, right? So that shows you, boom, it just bounced off of this, don't, and then it should fall and coordinate with it. You see, fall and coordinate with it. Now you can't always rely on the indicators, but it's something to have a visual representation of. Don't always rely on indicators, but use it as a extra tool, right? So you need to understand the markets and say, okay, I know where this is going to go, but I'm going to use this indicator to give me a better judgment on it. So this dotted line right here is my alert. So I can move it up and down, and I'm placing it right here. So I will get an alert when the price hits this area. So then that's going to tell me, okay, boom, I know I placed it right here. Let me go ahead and press sell, right? So on MetaTrader 4, I will come here, see this, press sell, boom. And like I said, if it drops down like I'm predicting it will come down and go down to this area right here. So with that being said, sorry I had to adjust my phone. But with this area right here, it's going down to this area right here. So that's why I place this red line right here. And then you see it's going to go back up. What it's going to do, go back up. It could go back up, bounce this area again, and then drop back down. You see? And this orange one, right? And it's going to go back up, right? And that's where the RSI and MACD come in handy. It's going to show you that as well. And it's going to show you the same pattern, right? So, how you guys feel? It should be like, okay, I'm starting to get it, sort of kind of. It's a lot of information. I'll be honest with you, but once you get going with it, you're gonna be like, okay, yeah, this is definitely easy. This is easy. This is easy. This is easy, right? So it's just all about practicing and trying it and keep going and doing it regularly, right? So this is a quick tutorial of how I examine the markets and take a quick look of what's to come on the 4 hour, and then you can look at it on the daily, and the daily is gonna show you the same thing too. So this is from today. Today is Friday. When the market's open on Sunday, it should come right here, boom, in this area, and come back down, like so. So something to watch, something to pay attention to. Look forward to my next videos. I'll be explaining more of exactly how I do what I do and exactly how to profit in the market, So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate your time.